This is an Amazon Echo Dot, or you might call it Alexa. This is an EZCast 2 dongle, your go-to solution for watching videos on HDTVs. Imagine what you can do when combining Alexa with EZCast 2. Let me show you how to voice control EZCast 2. Alexa, play Taipei video.
Getting Taipei from EZCast.
You can use these commands to voice control EZCast 2 to play online videos. Here is how you set it up. Let's connect EZCast 2 to the internet, so it can access both Alexa and YouTube. Use EZCast app to sign into EZChannel to bind the dongle to my account. Then execute the Amazon Alexa app to enable the EZCast skill. Then Alexa will search and connect to the EZCast 2 dongle. You can see all the voice commands in the skill description. Let's play more videos. Alexa, next. This is how you can use Alexa to voice control EZCast 2 to play online videos. Try it for yourself. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more video streaming tips.